Today I'm going to teach you how to add an image gallery to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to showcase your work, products, or any visual content in a professional and organized manner. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and their content. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add the image gallery. This opens up the specific site you're working with, giving you access to all its editing and customization features. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a menu with several options. Click on Website to access the main editing interface. Right next to it, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click that to enter the editing mode for your site. This is where you can make changes to your pages and add new content sections. Now look for the option to Add Section. Clicking this will open up a panel on the left side showing various section types you can add to your page. Scroll through the options until you find and click on Made with Classic Editor. This opens up the Classic Editor interface, which gives you access to additional gallery options that might not be available in the standard editor. Within the Classic Editor, you'll see a gallery option. Click on Gallery and you'll be presented with several template choices. These templates offer different layouts and styles for displaying your images, so take a moment to browse through them and choose one that best fits your website's aesthetic. Once you've made your choice, click on the template to select it. After selecting your template, you'll see an Edit Gallery button appear. Click on this to start customizing your gallery. Here you can replace the placeholder images with your own by uploading new ones. You can also add more images to expand your gallery or delete any images you don't want to include. What's really useful is that you can add descriptions to each image and even attach links to them, which is perfect if you want to direct visitors to specific products or pages. Once you're satisfied with how your gallery looks and all your images are in place, click Save. This ensures all your changes are stored and your image gallery is now live on your Squarespace website. And that's it. You've successfully added an image gallery to your Squarespace website, giving your visitors a beautiful way to view your visual content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.